Hello, it's your girl Tyra and welcome back to my channel. For today, isasama ko kayo sa events na pupuntahan ko. May dalawang events tayong pupuntahan today and first one is dito sa BGC. Beauty event siya guys. So, sa beauty bar gaganapin. Hinahanap ko lang yung beauty bar. So, it's now 3 o'clock p.m., July 16. Okay, I'll see you guys pag andun na ako. Guys, I made it. Andun na ako sa beauty bar and got my name tag.
Today is a very exciting day for Azul as we celebrate a very special milestone.
We're coming here to support Azul. We're just very excited for what's in store next. And I hope you guys will enjoy the products.
Thank you po. Snack time! Kakuha na namin. So, ang next event na pupuntahan ko guys, dito sa Quezon City, Life Strong event siya. Ang sabi kasi, pwedeng color red and then color black. So, para maiba naman, kasi lagi na ako naka-black, kaya ako nag-red. Okay, let's go na! We're here guys! Nakapag-register na ako, binigyan nila ako ng paper bag na may lamang mga products. Tapos, here we have activities like mirror booth and then 360 video booth.
We have of Lifestyle Marketing Incorporated. This evening is dedicated.
Nakabalik na ako dito sa hotel. Meron silang binigay na paper bag. So, may laman to na Dermaid products. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, meron tayong Dermaid Skin Refining Hand and Body Wash. Mga Dermaid Aroma Oil Roll-On. And last item here ay yung Dermaid Whitening Booster. Nabunot ako sa raffle, 5,000 pesos. Yay! So happy! Tapos ito pala guys, yung PR package na nakuha ko sa Azul event kanina. Sobrang bongga kasi ito yung full product line nila. So currently, they have 3 products. Meron sila ng Lip Cheek Pocket na 3 shades. Meron din silang Hydrating Lip Peptide. And actually, 5 to. Yung isa, inopen ko na kanina kasi ginamit ko for my lips. Meron din silang mga lip liners. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shades ng lip liners nila. I'm really, really grateful na na-invite ako sa Azul event kasi, di ba beauty brand to guys, makeup. And it's been a while, it's been a really long time. Di naman ako nakakapag-upload na ng mga makeup content. Kaya, ang saya, sobrang na-touch ako and na-appreciate ko na may beauty brand na nag-invite sa akin. Kaya I think, eto na guys, pagbabalik, magsa-start na ako ulit gumawa ng content, makeup content. Good night, good night!
Hello and good afternoon to you all. Welcome to the Palmolive Experience. And also, welcome to the meet and greet of the
Hi guys! So here's my outfit for today. Color green yung motif. So buti meron akong green na damit, no? And then, ito yung tote bag na isa sa mga boot activities. So you can customize your tote bag. At madaming mga boot. So this one para sa drinks. And then, dito may mga hair analysis. Very I'm with Mary. Nandito kami ngayon guys sa kakatapos lang ng meet and greet with Liana. Hi everyone! Just got home. PR gift na binigay nila. First, we have this sweater. Mahilig ako sa mga ganito, kaya for sure magagamit. Tote bag na color green. Yung fashion girl, grabe, very nostalgic kasi nung elementary ako, yung si Julia Barreto pa yung endorser. Dalawang 1 liter bottle. Nagbigay rin sila ng refills para pag naubos yung laman ng bottle, yan, pwede ko lagyan. Hi guys! Good afternoon! So kakarating ko lang dito sa Mall of Asia at ngayon naglalakad na ako to find Giordano. So may collaboration ako with them. Gagawa ako ng content sa store nila featuring their summer collection. 1 PM yung call time ko doon sa Giordano and it's around 12:30 pa lang ngayon. So that's good. On time tayo. Guys, I found it! Good afternoon.
Kasi ito naman po yung mga linen din na ibang collections.
Shopping at Giordano. I checked out their linen and coat collection and I instantly understood why everyone knows.
Sige po.
Ilang piraso po?
Okay lang po dalawa. Maliit lang po. Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much
Thank
po.
you so much.
Thank you po.
I'm so happy sa mga napili kong items.
Basta ka.
Okay naman. Wanna see my Giordano haul? Matchy ka. So I got this one. And then, eto sa labi ko. Matchy. Color green.
Thanks, mahal.
Ito yung sa akin. Color brown siya. Sa mahal ko, I got him a blue one. Hi guys! So, andito ako ngayon sa BGC. Meron kaming affiliate event for Huawei. It's the Huawei Big 5. So, magsa-start yung briefing namin maya-maya. And while waiting, ayan, may food.
So thank you so much for attending today's session. And before we end, let us all, I hope that you guys were able to learn a lot. So you guys can get more information.
Tayo yung magkakasama sa
Tyra! Congrats po pala sa birthday.
O, diba? Alam nila.
Bye! Bye tayo. Thank you as always. See you ulit. So it's now 5 o'clock PM at tapos na yung event. Maglalakad ako papunta sa BGC High Street. Imimit ko si Demi. At dito siya nag-work sa BGC. So, yun, mag-meet kami here to hang out at magdi-dinner na rin mamaya. Demi! Porta! Ayun, ang dami! Roast beef karubi and isa pong grilled pork belly soy garlic. Tapos dalawa pong house blend ice. Let's eat! With the sauce. Andito kami ngayon sa Italia. Dinner with Demi. Dessert time! So for dessert, bumili kami ng yaw-yaw. Ching!
You can go about doing the rest of the things that you have to do for your day. If you
I'm with Sir Ian and kinagirl niya ang hair ko.
Kuha ka ng portion ng hair, hawak mo sa middle, start ka sa end, press mo yung button, then hayaan mo siya mag-wrap or pwede mo siyang kontrolin. Then once na mag-wrap na lahat, gradually mo siya ilapit sa may scalp or depende sa'yo kung gaano kataas yung curls na gusto mo. Turn yan, turn off mo, pababa yung hila.
Ang galing!
we will be starting very shortly, so
Ang
Oo, dyan yung hair.
Ganda! Basta fresh mo pa din. Parang blooming mo.
Sobrang ganda naman niya
Wala kasi akong
kanina.
contact lens. Sabi ko, sino ba yun?
So, tinignan ko siya pagpasok niya.
Yung try na ko yan mo. Iba kasi yung kamay niya.
Tigil niyo to.
Ito yung kamay niya. Mabigat ang kamay niya.
Hi guys! So, done na yung event at naglalakad na ako ngayon dito sa BGC High Street papunta sa Market. So, doon ako sasakay ng van pa uwi.
Hello, you like her? No, you like her.
May pupuntahan akong Barista 101 and Barista 102 workshop. Matututo ako about coffee, latte art. So, medyo kinakabahan ako to be honest. Wala talaga akong masyadong alam about coffee. Excited ako sa mga matututunan ko today. And I'll take you guys along with me. Yung schedule is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. So, one day lang.
To remove the bean from the fruit. Okay, so that's a process. And what we have here, these two, are our portafilters. And we have here the adjustment knob for the grind size. So as much as possible, we want it in between both. Now there is some sweetness, there's some acidity, and then there is some bitterness. Okay?
Just below lang po. Tapos 3 drops po.
Ayan, hawak ka na dito para maalalayan mo. Okay, ayan. Una, balik, perch. I'm just letting it form, and then once you see it form, you start lifting it up.
I'm done with the workshop! So, ito yung certificate and we got free cookie as well.